Outcome measures, attributing a score. Why measure outcomes? To see if interventions really work, and calculate return on time and money. What is measurement? A process, use of a standardized instrument and protocol, which identifies the extent, quality, amount or degree of something. But what is that something? An underlying construct that may or may not be directly observable. Some people have more of what we are measuring. And some people have less. The extent of the construct is given a score. There are 4 types of scores. Nominal, a yes or no cutoff, often represented by a dotted line. Ordinal, getting first, second or third. As in a race, there may not be equal intervals between the scores. A common example of ordinal scoring is a Likert scale. Interval, the differences between scores is equal, as in an IQ test. Ratio, the difference between scores is equal, as in temperature. It is possible to get a true absolute zero. So that's nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio. Most measures in rehabilitation give ordinal data. A useful outcome measure is acceptable and feasible in practice. A meaningful outcome measure is dependent on a valid interpretation of the score. This means looking at psychometrics. What's that? Psychometric testing is used to substantiate accuracy and dependability. How are accuracy and dependability different? Here's an example where the target represents our construct. The arrows are hitting different spots and are not on target. Because there are different spots, the result is undependable. And it's not on the target, so it's also inaccurate. Let's fire some more arrows. The arrows are hitting the same spot, but they are still not on target. Because they're on the same spot, they are dependable, but yet still inaccurate because they're not on the target. One more go. All 3 arrows are dead center of the target, so they are accurate. And they're also in the same spot, so they're also dependable. So, a useful measure is one that can be used in real-life rehabilitation settings. A meaningful measure gives us a score that we can trust and interpret. For more, visit the Wellington Medical and Health Sciences Library, University of Otago.